Yeah, this is for the room 16 before the invasion. Alliance Concess parking lot. This is for Shauri Lane. Brothers and sisters, we started from the bottom and now we're here.
The mic's been the guidance, flow eking my lyricism to make the guy dance. Goodbye guns, so we no longer killing them civilians. Tuna kill show from them shahidi kalimani wakileza Kaisari. The cipher, blessing the taifa. A slogan, wakisaiba sana, tunasaiba sana. Wakisaiba sana, tunasaiba sana. Shauri Lane, Ikitana, Haile Selassie Avenue. This was the battle of Adowa, liberating minds Oshadowa, distinguishing the wannabes from the troublies. We the gladiators, the dominant species. Kalimani liquid, Nemesis na Harley, genetic na the god Apollo. Battles iki raise hell, design na Tamagode kange kuwa na ya huruma. Mshamba kiwa guilty, oxide akidai mavichwa. Era ya ma mixtape na CD za immersion, ready for the universe, feeling like the space between the dream and universe.
This is for the room 16 before the invasion. Alliance Concess parking lot. This is for Shauri Lane. Brothers and sisters, we started from the bottom and now we're here.
Sub-Zero still Luther, nothing but a boombox. Nike Katanari, ni flow flani beatbox. Tuko bado shwari, guys came and nailed it. Nasibongi misumari, niku washanari, kilevolutionary. Undo the street lawyer, oya, nasana ndio kiraka kwenye panchado hope. The king of the freestyle, OGG, dominating whole GG. Kabla hii still na GKV, kutupeleka chuo angedai nipe theme. Nichafue by the time DJ Ketita, funky monka let he flow to a standstill. Man, I thought I told you there's a slice of soul William in you. Now we chilling at the pit, sipping wisdom, no strippy pills. Katasia Romy, 4 roads leads home. It's a great day for hip hop.
This is for the room 16 before the invasion. Alliance Concess parking lot. This is for Shauri Lane. Brothers and sisters, we started from the bottom and now we're here.
Mistari tulianza tukejanika, kitu fanika, kujanika. Cheki saina chanika, rain kani galika. Vitabu sana haku heno meto watoka. Tukitema Monica, vibes za kukati ya Monica. Tuko overall uliza tamakanika. Msela kete kuna cha kubanjuka. Hine generation hiliotanma fans congregation. Tukifanya ghetto gospel, tuko ever ready. Live in the street like Nairobi, Nairobi, yeah. Toka Shauri Lane to Safaricom live.
This is for the room 16 before the invasion. Alliance Concess parking lot. This is for Shauri Lane. Brothers and sisters, we started from the bottom and now we're here.